Hey, I'm Steve. Welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. Today we're going to mix up pig feed and get it out to them. Obviously we've had a big weather change from the forecasted moderate temperatures. We're looking at an Arctic chill coming in by the end of the week with highs below 0. So I'm sort of happy in a way. It's harder on the livestock, but for the bees, they'll definitely slow them down and keep them in cluster. We're out here at the barn where I put the tractor last night along with the tubs that we put the pig food into. I have to transfer that from the super sacks that are behind me and fill the tubs up and then haul them out to the actual pig pens. And that's what we're going to do right now. We have a mixture of grains that we feed them along with minerals that specifically the wolf kill minerals for pigs. And we mix that all together when we blend them into the super sacks. We moved over to the super sack, and this one would hold 2,000 pounds. Right now we're about a quarter left, so that makes it a little harder getting the grain out. We don't have an auger, and we're too small to really justify it. So we just pick it up and bucket it over and then fill from there. So I'll do a time lapse because this is boring. Okay, that's one ready to go. Okay, and as you can see, as the bag empties, it gets lower and lower. It's harder on the back. So eventually what I'll do is run the forks through the hooks here and lever it up. And at that point, we'll go ahead and drain out of the bottom because it does have a bottom release. But right now, there's still too much in it. And it's a bear to retie them once they're opened up. Okay, what else do we feed the pigs? Idaho Pasture Pigs. They get alfalfa. They like alfalfa. And right now we have a neighbor brought us over a bin of frozen pears. And we're just down to the very bottom of that. The pigs love it. We have pumpkins stored. Once again, some people feed total 100% pumpkins in the winter. That's not what we do. We just use it as a supplement. A bunch of stuff. The pigs want, well, let me say it this way. The pigs have a diverse palate and they get tired of eating the same thing over and over again, except for grain. So we try to mix it up for them. Excuse me, my nose is running. And give them a little variety. That's important. All right, back to time lapse. Here we go. This super sack has an interior gusset to give it more strength. I hate it because it catches on the buckets. Terrible. Okay, that fills us up here. Let's go feed some pigs. They're hungry. Okay, we are out with the girls. We've got Mama, who's Delilah, is her actual name. We call her Mama. And then we have Penny, which is the smaller one on the left. And then we have Rosie, which is in between. And undoubtedly the hardest part of this whole process is getting the feed off of the pallet without spilling 300 pounds, 250 pounds, like I almost did there. That would have been great for video. Maybe I'll do that next time. Okay, we are working with 3 to 4 inches in spots of fine Rocky Mountain powder snow. This isn't your west side snow. Okay, who wants food? Who wants food? Come on. There you go, girls. They'll dig into that. I like it when the ground's frozen like this. They're not in mud. And they'll pick up the feed right off the top of the snow. There we go. Beautiful. Well, that task is completed. Now we'll go visit Sammy and the other boys. And here we are over with our beautiful boar, 400 and plus, probably 420, 450 pound Idaho Pasture Pig boar, about as big as you want him. And he is registered. Hi, Sammy. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful boy. What's up, Sam? What's up, Sam? Come here, Sam. Come here, Sam. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yep. Of course, in the background, you might be able to hear Foxy, one of our border collies, who is completely jealous of anyone else but her getting petted. There you go, Sam. So next I'll go ahead and put alfalfa out. Nothing special about that. The pigs will chew that up. Sammy's still got a lot left in his pen from yesterday. In fact, the girls do too, and the little boys do. So maybe I won't put anything out right now. So if you have any questions about pigs, especially in the wintertime, leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, please just leave a little smiley or something, so I know that you're interested in this kind of going out and doing chores. And we're going to get ready for the rest of the snow today, and then we're going into a deep chill for about a week. And we got to get ready for that too. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. And until the next video, take care.